Hi, I'm Vishwa. Today was weekly expiry in options and Nifty was pretty weak. Nifty was bearish for almost throughout the day, and we can see the strong bearish candle formed in EAD time frame, which indicates how strong the bearish sentiment was today. And this was due to the global market sentiment. Globally, pretty much all the markets were coming down and the Nifty responded to it. But what happened is that the Nifty cannot maintain at this 15,000 resistance area. The Nifty broke above it a couple of days ago right here, but it just cannot hold it. And we can see the sellers are pushing the prices down pretty strongly. So this 15,000 area is acting as a really strong resistance level for Nifty once again. Despite multiple attempts, now for the third time the Nifty is failing to get over this area, so which makes the resistance even more stronger. Right now the Nifty is staying above this 14,900 support level, which is one of the crucial levels for Nifty, because we have the support level at 14,900, 14,800 and 14,700. These are the three support levels which is really important for Nifty to break, and Nifty has to break down below these levels if the selling should continue and the sentiment should turn bearish. Until then, the Nifty is just going to stay inside the strong range, so we can expect Nifty to stay inside this 15,050 and 14,700 areas in the coming days. Because there is no clear sign of a breakout yet, because the sellers are once again coming down to push the prices down whenever the price hits the resistance. So until the price gains the capacity to break out above this recent high and close above it, Nifty is still going to trade in a range. Going to Bank Nifty, even in Bank Nifty we only see selling pressure, and it's pretty much like Nifty. It has taken the support level, but Nifty broke above the resistance, but the Bank Nifty cannot even do that. It's reacting to the strong resistance with all these bearish candles, this indicating that the sellers are pretty active around the resistance. And now we also have this sort of triangle pattern right here in Bank Nifty, so we can expect the Bank Nifty to possibly come down and retest the half the way of this bullish candle and then to the low of this triangle pattern. So moving on to the listed stocks, we have MFSL on the list today. In 15 minutes we can see that the price is consolidating beautifully around this level. And what happened here is that the price tried to go up all the way, but right now the sellers are pushing the prices down from this resistance area. But here this consolidation tells us that the price cannot come down, the price cannot fall, and the price is rejecting new lows, because if you see it, the price is constantly creating higher lows right from this area. The price is constantly going up from this area, and this area is now acting as a trend line support for MFSL, and we see this consolidation right at the very sweet spot. So if the price breaks out about this consolidation and sustains there on a lower time frame, we can look for a buying opportunity in MFSL tomorrow. Moving on to the next stock, we have Naukri on the list. It's a pretty wonderful setup we have here, because the price is basically broken out of resistance already. The price is broken out of this consolidation already, and we also have this 4,400 area as a resistance. The price broke out above both of these areas, which is a wonderful sign. So we can expect this bullish momentum to continue on tomorrow. And what happens here is that the price also took support right at this beautiful support level. So we have a swing point support level, this is a pivot point support level, and we also have this bullish candle. The half the way of the bullish candle is acting as a support as well. And right here you can see that the selling trend is really losing its strength, because the market was down the whole day, but still you can see that this Naukri has rejected the lows and formed a pretty solid consolidation setup right at this point. And we also have a breakout upon the end of the market, so we can expect this buying momentum in Naukri to continue tomorrow as well. We can look for buying opportunities in Naukri tomorrow. Moving on to the next stock, we have Pfizer on the list, and in here the stock is pretty much on a downtrend. It's falling all the way down in 15-minute time frame, and here we have this beautiful trend line support, but the stock broke down below it and stays below it very strongly. So this tells us that the selling momentum could continue in Pfizer tomorrow. And in here we have this beautiful channel pattern. If the price manages to close below this level, we can expect the selling momentum to continue, and it would be better if the price closes below it and retests this channel pattern before coming down. Then you would have a pretty good selling opportunity in Pfizer. Moving on to the next stock, we have SBIN on the list, and the price is pretty much trading in uptrend here in 15-minute time frame, and right now the price is consolidating. Here we see this beautiful triangle pattern in SBIN, and the price strongly broke out of this toward the end of the day. So this indicates bullishness because the price is already in buying mode, and here we have this triangle pattern which is now broken out of. So we can expect a bullish momentum, and we can look for buying opportunity in SBIN tomorrow. So that's about it for the video. Have a great day trading tomorrow. Cheers.